Hello guys, am I audible?
Yes.
Okay, okay, so let's start.
Hello, hi Sonali, am I audible?
Yeah, audible.
Sonali, from the last class, I do have a query. I was trying to work with ID command. So I'm still unable to
Which command?
understand what is ID.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm still
Okay,
unable
so
to
what you're
understand.
not able to understand?
Like, what does this command show?
Okay, okay, I'll explain you. Any other query?
I am new to this class, ma'am.
Who is new to the class?
Naveen Kumar, ma'am.
Okay. So Naveen, we have completed already two to three parts. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Did you check the recordings?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any problem?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Building customer kernel you finished, ma'am.
Building customer kernel?
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Custom
no,
Linux kernel.
no.
Okay, okay. What software you want to download, ma'am?
Ubuntu you need to download.
One, two.
Anyone? Ubuntu.
Okay, you send the link alone, ma'am, to me to our group.
Okay. Anyone, please send the link on the group again. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the ID command. Okay. So ID command is showing you UID. Okay. UID stands for user ID. Okay. Actually, what happens is that we have user, we have group, and we have others. Okay. So
Right, yes.
user has its own id, group has its own id, and others, those who are inside the group, have their own id. Okay, so like
Okay,
this the work goes on. So uid is the 1,000. Okay, and the uid name is Sonali. Okay, this is your id user. Okay, now
okay,
we have group id. So in group id, the group is Sonali only, the same name it is. Okay, if you want you can change it also, but here it is right now, the group is Sonali only, so it is showing me that only. Now it is associated to various groups. Okay, id means Sonali is associated to various groups. Okay, which is Sonali, admin, adm, cd-rom, sudo, diff, plug, dev. So these are the different groups to which it is associated. Okay, so these are the different groups with their group id. Okay.
so Sonali, does that mean that if I have there is only one unique user called Sonali? For example, if there is another user called Srinath, then there must be another group with the name Srinath, and Srinath must be associated with other groups as well, or it can be changed in the permissions
Exactly,
later.
exactly,
Got it.
exactly,
Got it.
exactly. Okay. Okay, so guys, you have practiced earlier parts, whatever I taught day before yesterday. Any query with anyone can ask me, I'll move ahead. Okay. So we were doing some miscellaneous commands. Okay, so we have this log name, uname, tty, id, who am I. Okay, let's practice. So log name tells me the login name of the user. Okay, right now the login name is Sonali. Then we have ID. I have explained you. Who am I? Who am I tells me who am I. Okay, and who tells me that whoso user has logged in. Right now only one user has logged in. If suppose multiple user would have logged in, who would have told me all the users name? Okay, who have logged in. Okay, so this is an important command. Who command. Uname, it tells us the version. Okay, that what is the version. Okay, it's my Linux. If I want all details about Linux, it is showing me all the details about Linux. Okay, date tells me the current date according to IST format. Cal, as I have already told you, if I want calendar of that particular time, it shows me for a calendar of that particular time. If I just write cal 1995, it will show me the calendar, whole calendar of 1995. Okay, so date is done, calendar is done. Then we have u limit. The u limit here, it is set to unlimit. U limit is how much amount of data can be written inside vi editor. Okay, so u limit is set to unlimited, means unlimited amount of data where we can write inside the editor. Okay, we can change it as per our comfort also. Have I sent this document to the group? Okay. Next is Unix system layout. Okay, so what do you mean by Unix system layout? Okay, so the disk space allotted to Unix file system is made up of blocks. Okay, the disk space allotted to Unix file system is made up of blocks. Okay, which is typically 512 bytes. Some file system may have blocks of 1024 or 2048 as well.
Sonali, can you explain it a little bit?
Yes, I'm explaining it. Wait a minute. So the disk space allotted to Unix file system is made up of blocks. Okay, the disk space which is allotted, which is there for the system, it is made up of blocks. Okay, now some file systems would have the block size which is 10248, 1024, okay, or 2048. Okay, but which it was earlier, it used to be 512 bytes. Okay, so this is the disk space which is allotted to the system. So the Unix file system layout. Okay, so the file system layout, what is this file system layout actually? Okay, what happens is that we have four blocks. Okay, we have boot block, we have super block, we have inode table, and we have data block. Okay, we have four blocks. Okay, what happens is that my file system, as I have shown you, the root. Okay, this is my file system. Okay, starting from the root, everything is divided. Okay, so Unix file system layout is divided from there only. So we have four blocks. We have one boot block, we have super block, we have inode table, and we have data block. Okay, so what do you mean by boot block? Okay, when your system starts, boot process is going on. Okay, so a code is there inside the system in root section. Okay, which is called bootstrap code. Okay, which the machine reads. Okay, to boot the system. Okay, so this booting is done in each and every system, but in Windows you can't see that. Okay, but here in Unix, you can see that the booting is being shown when you are starting the system. Okay, so your system runs the bootstrap code. Okay, to boot the operating system. Then we have super block. Okay, so what do you mean by super block? Super block is describes the state of the file system, how large it is, how many files it can store, where to find free space on the file system, etc. Okay, so it defines the state of the file system, how large it is, how many files it can store, where to find the free space on the file system, etc. Okay, so the it describes the state of the file system. Okay, state of the file system means, as I have told you, how much big it is. Okay, so I'll be telling you some commands how to see how much big it is, how many files it can store. Okay, how to check the free space of the disk, each and everything. Okay, then we have inode table. Okay, so inode table, it is a list of inodes which I'll be explaining. Okay, then we have data block. It stores file data and administrative data. So all the data is stored inside the file data and administrative data. Okay. So now what is inode table firstly? Okay. So inode table, actually what happens is that, as I told you, we have files. Unix treats each and everything inside, whether it is file or a directory, a big file, anything. It treats it as a simple file. Okay, so it is stored inside Unix file system. Okay, it is stored inside the file system with particular number assigned to them. Okay, so they are assigned a particular number as you enroll. For example, as you enroll into a classroom, okay, you have your own particular roll number which is unique to everyone. Okay, and you are accessed in exams and or anything using that particular roll number. Okay, similarly in uh, Unix treats each and every file with their particular roll numbers, which is known as inode number. Okay, this is a 16 digit, 16 bytes number. Okay, which is unique. Okay, which is unique. So each entry is made up of 64 bytes and contains the relevant information for that file. Okay, so these details are owner of the file, group to which the owner belongs, types of file, file access permissions, date and time of last access and modification, number of links to the file, size of the file, address of the blocks where the file is present. Okay, So next is that inode number of the file can be seen by the command. Okay. So inode number of the file can be seen by the command. Okay. ls hyphen I. Let me show you how to see the inode number of a particular file. Is the inode point clear to everyone?
No, Sonali, can you?
Okay, what part is not clear to you, dear?
Like what exactly it is? I mean, is it like a stack or something, or it holds
It's not.
addresses?
It's it's not like a stack. The in Unix, as I told you, I gave you a general everyday example that you are assigned a roll number when you enroll into a classroom. Okay, similarly, the files are kept in a proper manner. Okay, so they have their particular unique ID, which is known as inode number. Okay,
Okay.
okay. So here you can see it was telling us that ls-i tells us the inode number. So you can see this is the inode number. Okay, and this is unique for each and every file and directory. You can see. Is it clear to everyone?
So how I mean, where am I going to use it?
Where are you going to use it? That will be defined later. Okay.
Okay.
But right now you need to know what is inode number, okay, where it is physically present and how to check that inode number of a particular file, okay.
Okay.
Next is disk related commands, okay. So disk related commands comes inside the super block when we want to check the file system space, file system, all the things about the file system. For that purpose, we use this disk related command. So we have df and du, okay. So df stands for disk free. How much disk is free? Okay, so df space hyphen h. So how much disk is free? You can see these are my file system names, different parts of my file system in DAV, TMPFS. Okay, so this much size was there. This much is used. This much is available. Okay, to which part they are mounted upon. I have used hyphen h. Okay, because df space hyphen h when it is used alongside, it shows your spaces in human readable format. You can see they are visible properly. If I just do df, that won't be, things won't be understood. Okay, so this is more proper manner, so that's why I have used df space hyphen h. Okay, so this is df. Okay, then we have du. Df and du are none other than same. Du stands for disk use. Okay, disk usage. So here it is showing me in your current directory, okay, which part is using how much disk. Okay, for that purpose we use du, that which part of the system is using how much disk. Okay, for that purpose we use this du command. Okay, Okay, so DF and DU is clear to you guys. Next we have hard links and soft links. Okay, so anybody can tell me the difference between hard link and soft link, which I explained last time. What is the difference between hard link and soft link, which I explained last time? What are hard links and soft link? Anybody can explain me? Come on,
Sonali,
guys.
can I
Yes.
try?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
sure.
So, like hard links are, they act as an individual file. I mean, this thing I remember that you told that's so hard that even if the original file is deleted, that hard link, it acts as an individual file and it does not get deleted. And soft link, it generally it only refers to that file. If that original file is deleted, that soft link also gets deleted, I guess.
Yes, exactly. You are right. Okay, so this is the major difference. One more difference is there between inside the soft link and hard link is that hard links have same inode number. Okay, whereas soft links are have different inode numbers. Okay, suppose because as I've told you, they are the exact copy of the original file, hard links. So they have the exact inode numbers also. Okay, as you can see here, we had created the in a hard link of rr.txt. Okay, so let's check. Okay, ls space hyphen li rr.txt. Okay, hard underscore ln and soft underscore ln. So you can see your rr.txt is having the inode number this. Okay, this is same as the hard linked inode number. Okay, but for the soft link, the inode number is different. Okay, so this is also the major difference between hard link and soft link. That soft link is treated as a different file. Okay, so that's why it is given a different inode number.
Sonali,
Whereas
one
in
question.
case of hard link, it is treated as the same file. Okay, so that's why it is given the same inode number. Yes, please ask.
So how will I check that if one file has hard links or soft links?
How to check whether you have a hard link or soft link?
Yeah,
Okay,
suppose I have
firstly,
a file.
what
Yeah, please continue.
yeah, suppose what happens is that whenever the naming convention actually, okay, the naming convention also suggests you, okay, and sometimes you can search for the same inode numbers as well. Okay, when you do ls, soft link is visible. Okay, you can
Yeah,
see that the soft
exactly.
link is visible by itself only. And for
Yes.
hard links, there is a hard links you have inode number to check. You can take the original file inode number and check whether any else file is having the same inode number or not, which will
Can
suggest that
you,
yes, it is the hard link.
yeah, can you show it on the screen with an example, please?
Actually, as you can see here, when I did ls space hyphen l, I too did not remember that which was the hard link I created last day. Okay,
Right.
so what I did
Yes.
is, yes, so ls space hyphen l. Okay, I did. So you can see that it automatically showed me the soft link. Okay, which was referring to my original file. Okay,
Yes.
so soft link is remembered that yes, soft link, this is the soft link. Now I know that my original file is rr.txt. Okay, so what I can
Mm-hmm.
do is I can check the inode number of rr.txt. Okay,
Okay.
okay, so now what I have now, when I will teach you another commands, okay, you can check whether this is having the same inode number or not. We have another command called grep through which we can search, okay,
Got
most
it. Got it.
things. Okay, so I'll teach you afterwards that grep command. Okay, as we move
Okay.
ahead. Okay, so through that you can search. Okay, that which one is having that same inode number and which is the hard link. Okay, to this original
Okay.
file, and we can create
Okay.
multiple hard links. Okay, It's not necessary that we can create only one hard link. We can create multiple hard link of the file. Okay, so multiple will be visible in one shot because all will be having the same inode number. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. So calendar was done as I have told you. Date I have told you. Okay. ls hyphen l I have told you. Next is file command and wc command. Okay. So what do you mean by file command? Okay. File command tells us what kind of file it is. Okay. Suppose I search for file soft link one. Okay. So it is telling me it is a symbolic link to original file. Okay. Another, if I take another kk.txt, so it will tell me yes, it is a normal file, ASCII text file. Okay. Do you know ASCII text? What do you mean by ASCII text? ASCII text stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Okay. It is an American code. Okay, which is through which the scripts are written. Scripts kind of, I mean to say that this is followed by each and every language. Okay, ASCII code for the text. Okay, whatever the text we write. Okay, so it is telling me that it is kk.txt. It is an ASCII text file. Okay, if I search for any directory, it will tell me yes, it is a directory. Okay, so file command tells you what kind of file it is. Okay, what kind of file it is, if it is a block special file, character special file, what kind of file it is. Okay, it will be told by the file command. Next, we have this WC command. WC command counts number of lines, words, and characters in specified files. Okay, the WC command is used to count the number of lines, words, and characters. So, how does this WC work? Okay, suppose I have a file. Okay, I have a text file. Okay, cat kk.txt. Okay, it has two lines. Okay, I don't know how many words it has, how many characters it has. Okay, I don't know anything else about that. So what I do is wc, okay, kk.txt. Okay, so you can see here it is telling me it has two lines, 11 words, and 63 characters. Okay, if I do it wc hyphen l kk.txt, so it is showing me two lines. Okay, if I do wc hyphen w kk.txt, 11 words. If I do wc hyphen c kk.txt, 63 characters. Please do it, all of you. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, please do it and send me the screenshot whether you have done this WC command or not. Okay, all of you, please do it. Any problem, guys? Yes, Sheetal, any problem to you?
Uh, no, no.
Okay, so all of you, please do it and send me the screenshot of your screens. No one has sent me. Has everyone done it? Is it done? Nobody has sent me till now. Okay, Nitesh has done. Good, Nitesh. Srinath has also done. Good, Srinath. Others, where are you guys? Okay, I'm moving ahead now. Okay, so let me teach you some of the parts of VI editor. Okay. Okay, so as I told you, what is VI editor? We can write whatever the data we want, okay, in VI editor. So how to do it? VI space file name. Okay, suppose I write VI space file name. Okay, or first file, first.txt. Okay, so gave the name, I press enter. I'm inside the VI mode now. Okay, so VI has three modes. Okay, so in order to write, we will go inside the insert mode. So in order to go inside the insert mode, I'll press I. Okay, please listen carefully. This is little bit of typical. Okay, and I won't explain it again and again. So I'll press I. Okay, now while pressing I am able to write anything. Okay, now you can see that I wanted to write V, but by mistakenly I wrote web. Okay, so how to correct it? Okay, so now from insert mode, there are three modes. Okay, one is insert mode, one is your command mode. Okay, so from insert mode, you need to go to the command mode to rub this. Okay, so you have to press escape character, escape and X. So I did X, and you can see that it has been deleted. Okay, now I'll press A and I'll be writing this. Okay,
So Sonali, just to make sure, backspace won't work here, right?
no, X won't work here.
Okay.
Now you can see I have written something wrong again. By mistakenly, I have put this caps lock. So I put my caps lock off firstly, then I write escape. Okay, X X X X. Again and again, I am just pressing X until and unless I come to my path. Okay. Now I press I again. I come inside the insert mode again. Okay. Now I'll write. Okay. Is it clear to all of you? How
So,
to rub?
Sonali, yes, I got it how to rub, but I have a doubt. If you are erasing everything, right? Everything, every text. If hello is wrong, means hello spelling is wrong. Should I rub erase all the thing?
No, 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 no. You have to press escape. Okay. Go to
Okay,
command mode. Insert mode is completed. Okay. Press escape. Do page up and go on hello. Okay.
okay,
Go on hello. Okay. On the first. Now press escape X.
oh,
Understood?
yes. Thank you.
Now suppose somebody says to you that by mistakenly you have erased and please undo that. Okay, so you will do escape U. So the latest thing will be undone. Okay, so O was the latest thing. So O is only undone. Okay, so I rub this. Okay, I press I and write hello again. Okay, now how to come out of this VI? Okay, so escape shift colon WQ, where W stands for saving and Q stands for quitting. W stands for saving and Q stands for quitting. Is it clear to all of you?
Yes.
Yeah, W stands for saving and Q stands for quitting. I press enter and I'm out of VI. I open it again. Okay, now here I want to suppose I want I want to delete this. I'll just write escape X. Okay, as I want to delete there in anything I want to delete, I'll just write like this. Now suppose I want to write, I'll just press I and write here. Again press escape and go up. Without pressing escape, you can't go up and down. Okay, please remember to press escape while going up and down. Okay. Now I pressed escape. Somebody says to me that rub the second line. Okay, so I'll do escape DD. DD is for deleting a particular line. So you can see I just try I did escape DD and it has been deleted, that particular line. I do undo, the line has come back.
Sonali, if we press escape, it will come out from insert mode, right?
Yes.
After that, how can we do all this deleting, editing everything after coming out? It will work?
No, it will not. It won't work. Editing won't work. I have to press I again. I have to go inside the insert mode again. This sounds little bit difficult today, but as you practice VI, okay, this would be very easy for you. After 2 to 3 days, you would be thorough with it. Okay.
Okay. So to delete again, we
Okay.
have to press I, then escape X.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So Linux is fun. I wrote. Okay. So this is now suppose I have to write something else. I'll press I again and press enter. Okay. Now here I can write. Okay.
Sonali, for deleting a line, what did you told?
Escape. Press escape. DD means 2 times D.
Okay, got it.
Okay. Undo. I'll just write U. Escape U. Okay. Next is suppose I want to delete 2 lines. Okay. Suppose I want to delete 2 lines. Okay. So I'll write 2DD. Suppose I go here. Okay, I write 2DD. So two lines are deleted. And I do undo. So both of my lines have undone. Is it clear, guys?
Escape X is used for what then, Sonali?
Pardon?
Escape X.
X. X is used to delete character wise. Okay, DD was DD through DD I am deleting whole line at one go in one shot. But X is used to delete character wise character.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, yes.
Now suppose I want to copy paste something. Okay, some line. Suppose somebody says to me that line X is fun. You have to copy it and paste it somewhere else as well. Okay, so we have this copy command is YY, escape YY. Okay, so I did YY, and wherever I want to paste, suppose I want to paste it here, I write P. So you can see as many times I am doing P again and again, and it's getting pasted again and again. For copying purpose, we use this. Okay, now if I want to delete so many lines, so what to do? Anybody can tell me how to delete all these lines?
Escape DD.
D, D only
Yes,
D D D D.
escape. Yes, DD. Pressing DD again and again, again and again. Okay. So YY is for copying and P is for pasting. YY for copying, P for pasting, DD for cut. Okay. DD for cut, copy YY and paste is P. Okay. So these are the three commands. Okay. Escape X I have told you. I have told you. Okay. Practice all of these. Okay. Practice all of this. I'll be sending you the VI editor document. Okay, search in that and practice all of this. Okay, then we will move further and I'll explain you later. Okay, is
Sonali,
it clear, all of you?
if we
Yes,
create
yes,
two files here, from one file to another file, can we copy the data?
yes, that can be copied, but this is another level. Okay, but
Okay.
right now you are learning only basics. That will be understood afterwards. Okay, please make sure that I teach you this how to copy from one file to another. Okay, through
Okay.
VI.
Yes.
Okay, please after some days when I'm completing VI, you make give me a reminder. Okay.
Yes, sure. Thank you, Sonali.
Okay, guys. Any other problem?
Ma'am, is tomorrow class available, ma'am?
If everyone is available, I can take the class. Is everyone available tomorrow?
Fine by me, yes.
Okay. Others, please write on the chat about their availability. Naveen, Bindu, Sheetal, Gayatri.
I'm not sure, ma'am. I have another class to attend in half an hour tomorrow. I mean, at
Okay.
this time.
Okay, same time. Okay, what timing it is, Sheetal?
Yeah, I'm little behind. It's 5:30 a.m. for me now.
Okay, okay.
But if everybody is
Half.
joining, I'll try.
Okay. I suppose everybody is available. If you want, you can take a half hour class 7:30 to 8 is okay to all of you?
Yeah, that should be okay.
Sorry, come again, Sonali.
7:30 to 8, half hour
Yes,
class
yes.
tomorrow.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, so I'll be taking a half hour class tomorrow, 7:30 to 8 o'clock. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
okay.
dear. Okay, thank you so much,
Yeah.
guys.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.